When you first turn on your X Series, this is the start screen. When you touch to start, that will take you to your Android navigation screen. The first button on the Android navigation screen is the collaboration button. This is a one-tap button that will take you right into the Windows computer and open up your video conference software of choice. The second button on the Android home screen to navigate the display is a Whiteboard application. This is pre-downloaded on the display and gives you the same functionality as a simple dry erase board. The next button, the most important button, is your sources. When you hit sources, that's going to pull up every source that's plugged into the display. Whether that's the built-in PC, an HDMI that you might have plugged into a laptop in the front, potentially a DVD player or an Apple TV in the back, anything that's plugged in where you want to go, you simply tap that box and it's going to pull it up. The last button on the Android navigation screen is the external storage. When you plug in a USB, say for guests or visitors, they can pull up simple PDFs, images, Microsoft Office files inside of Android to then view, give presentations without having to access the built-in PC. You'll also notice on either side of your X7, you have 5 Android hotkeys. The first hotkey gives you an Android overlay that gives you the whiteboard tools in Android to write over anything that you have on the screen. When you hit that top hotkey again, it'll take a snapshot of your handwriting and put it in your Android gallery. The second button is a Whiteboard Hotkey that links to the same button as the Whiteboard Hotkey here. When you tap that, it will immediately jump you into the Android whiteboard that you can then begin your note-taking. The third and most important button is the home button. This will bring you back to the Android navigation screen for you to then go wherever you want. So no matter where you're at in the display, if I'm in the computer, if I'm watching a movie, I can always hit that home button and come right back here. The next button on the hotkeys is the back button. So if you ever get lost or you want to go back to the previous source, you will tap that button twice and it'll take you back. The last button is the task manager on the Android side. So when you hit the task manager, it'll pull up all of the programs that you have open. And if you want to kill them, you simply swipe up and it'll bring you back to the home screen. Once you're done with your meeting, you'll simply tap the End Meeting button and it's going to pull up all of your Android slides inside of that whiteboard. If you want to save, you'll see you get an option to save as a USB, an SD card, or share it out onto a network drive. Once you tap End Meeting again and you get your warning, it'll delete everything on the display. Nothing will actually save to the Android. And now we're back to our Touch to Start screen.